Does the dish rack rail on your Whirlpool dishwasher keep sliding all the way out? Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear stop clip that'll prevent that from happening. These instructions also apply to models made by Maytag, KitchenAid, Kenmore, and JennAir. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The rear dish rack stop clip attaches to the end of the rack rail and prevents the dish rack and rail from sliding off the tub wheels. The stop clip helps keep the rail properly positioned on the tub rollers so it glides in and out smoothly during loading and unloading of the dish rack. The rear stop clip fits on both left and right sides of the dishwasher. However, the front and rear stop clips are different part numbers and they are all sold separately. Over time, the stop clip can crack or break from the repeated stress of pushing the rack in and out. If it breaks or is missing, the slide rail may slide out too far and come off of the tub wheels. If you need to purchase a replacement rear stop clip for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a flathead screwdriver. To access and replace the rear stop clip, open the dishwasher's door and slide out the rack. Open the front stop clips by rotating them towards the outside of the appliance. Slide the rack out and set it aside. If you are removing the center rack, place the rack upside down to prevent damaging the spray arm and manifold. Next, pull the slide rail that you're working on all the way forward. At the end of the rail, you'll notice a plastic stop clip that keeps the rail from sliding off the tub wheels. To remove the rear stop clip, push the release tab towards the rear of the appliance while pushing the clip up to slide it out. Here's a closer look at the stop clip with the rail already removed from the dishwasher. Use the flathead screwdriver to make releasing the clip easier. You can now discard the old stop clip. When ordering a replacement rear stop clip, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at PartsDoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install the rear stop clip, slide the pin of the clip through the two mounting holes in the rail. Be sure that the tab locks and the clip is secure. Test the stop clip by pulling the slide towards you. The stop clip should prevent the rail from coming off the tub wheels. Now reinstall the rack by sliding the dish rack wheels into the rails. Close the front stop clips and test the rack by sliding the rack all the way in and all the way out. Your rack should now be secured. Close the door and your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.